So I just wanted to make a quick little video here just to let you know where things are at. First of all, I would like to thank everybody who has subscribed to the channel. I'm up to almost 450 subscribers, and that just completely blows my mind. I never thought that that many people would be interested in AnyRail videos. So thank you for subscribing. I mean, I started this channel not because I wanted to become a YouTube star or anything like that or make money off of it. I did it because I liked the AnyRail program, and their documentation is, shall we say, iffy, maybe not very complete. So I decided to make the videos to help others who are using the program. And it seems to have been quite popular. So thank you very much for subscribing. I appreciate it. Now, I also want to point out that yes, there are going to be more videos. In fact, I have one on the screen behind me here that I'm working on. Unfortunately, life has a tendency to get in the way of things like this, and I've had joists break in my garage that I had to replace, and that led to, well, I need more storage in the garage, and then that led to, well, I think I need storage in the backyard, so I have to dig up part of the lawn, you know, and it just keeps going from there. So yes, there are more videos on the way, and I hope to bring them to you soon. Now, I got a question from somebody, and they said, are you going to do videos on the construction of your railroad? Well, I wasn't going to, but now I've decided that, yeah, you know, that might be fun. I like watching videos, other videos of people building their railroads. And I think my series of videos will be kind of like how not to build your railroad, because I haven't built one for over 25 years. So yeah, but I think I'm going to do it. The very first video in the series is not really going to be on the construction of the railroad. It's going to be on something else, but it all ties in with, you know, how to build a model railroad. So look for that probably coming up in a month or two. I have a feeling that actual construction on the railroad is not going to start until probably the end of summer. Probably getting into the winter months, and I'm recording this in May of 2021. So yeah, it's going to be a while. So yeah, be on the lookout for those. They may be interesting, they may not. We'll find out. Now, here's something I've been wondering for a long time. You know, I get questions all the time about how to use AnyRail. And I thank you for thinking that, you know, I can actually answer them. But what I'd like to know is, on any of my videos, is there anything that I didn't cover on that subject, or maybe I wasn't clear about? And as far as I'm concerned, most of my videos aren't very clear. But, you know, do you have any questions on some of the things that I talked about in some of the earlier videos, something you would like me to go into, you know, more in depth, something like that? So if there's anything like that, please send me a note, and I will try and compile those, and, you know, I'll do an addendum video for each one if necessary, and you know, we'll try and explain it a little bit better if I can. If not, I will just refer you to the AnyRail forum and the experts that they have there. So yeah, so if you have any questions or you want something explained in more detail, just let me know and I'll try to get to it. So now I'm going to put the ball in your court. Are there any videos on any subjects that you would like to see me make? There are a lot of functions in AnyRail that I have not covered yet. And there's also a lot of functions that I haven't figured out how they work yet. So let me know if there are any kind of videos that you know, you would like to see. And what I'll do is I'll take those suggestions, and then I'll sit down with the program and I'll just do what I've been doing. Is I'll just play with it until I come up with a method that I think might work, and then I'll make a video out of it. So, you know, let me know. If just send me suggestions, and I'll try and turn out videos, you know, based on what you guys want. Okay, that's it. I'd like to thank you for subscribing to the channel, and I'd also like to thank you for all the nice comments that I have gotten on the videos. And I try to answer every question that I get. If I miss your question, just please send it again, because sometimes I can't find the comments on YouTube. I'm completely new to YouTube, and it still mystifies me. So, like I said, just send the question again. So, okay, well, have a good day, and thank you for watching my videos.